You have just purchased the new MI medical innovation Pistor Eliance. We thank you for your confidence and now offer to show you the easy startup of this great working tool. In the carrying case, you will find the Pistor Eliance, the battery charger, the user manual, and the quick start sheet, which will allow you to easily view the modalities of use of the Pistor Eliance. The battery of the Pistor Eliance is rechargeable. Connect your Pistor Eliance to the charger block, itself connected to the mains. Full charge takes 2 to 3 hours. It is recommended to leave the Pistor Eliance on the Pistor rest during the charging time. Do not use the Pistor Eliance while charging the battery. Install the skin stabilizer. The stabilizer holder chip of the Pistor Eliance receives the skin stabilizer by pushing in disposable. The stabilizers serve both as a visual guide to locate the impact of the needle and reference for the penetration depth of the needle. Usage tips. It is recommended to position the skin stabilizer before positioning the syringe plus needle assembly to avoid any risk of needle sticks when placing the skin stabilizer. To put the Pistor Eliance in working order, just press the Start button. Once the Pistor Eliance is powered up, you can configure the various injection modes and their parameters on the dashboard. When switching on the Pistor Eliance, you find the last parameters used. Prepare the syringe, its injectable active ingredient, and the needle. Purge the syringe and needle, then install the assembly on the Pistor Eliance. To install, lift the cursor lock lever. Position the syringe pump cursor toward the rear of the device. The syringe pump moves freely on its axis when the locking handle is lifted. Place the set of needle and syringe thus prepared on the cart by positioning the stopper of the needle cone in the housing provided for this purpose. Then approach the cursor pushes syringe lock lever open against the hull of the syringe plugger. Finally, lower the syringe pump slider locking handle. It must always be in this locked position when a syringe is mounted on the Pistor Eliance. The locking lever down, the cursor pushes syringes and secured to its axis. Choose the injection mode according to the treatment to be performed. The selection of functions and carried out with the key located on the lower part of the dashboard of the Pistor Eliance. Gust mode. Gust mode allows to make layers from 0 to 4 mm deep, ideal to perform mesolift or mesopecia treatment. Once the injection mode is defined, the different attributes must be configured. Needle size. Select the needle size using the displacement key, then press the Confirm key. Using the displacement key, then select the desired needle size, then confirm with the validation key. The injection depth. Select the injection depth using the displacement key, then press the Validate key. Using the movement key, then select the desired injection depth and confirm with the validation key. Whatever or the size of the needle, the injection depth cannot exceed 4 mm in burst mode. The side of the syringe. Select the syringe size using the displacement key, then press the Validate key. Using the movement key, then select the desired syringe size, then confirm with the validation key. The variable of burst mode is the frequency of the injection. Select the injection frequency using the displacement key, then press the Validate key. Using the displacement key, then select the desired injection frequency and confirm with the validation key. The injection frequency may be 100 to 300 strokes per minute. In order to start treatment, press the trigger button. Continuous mode. Continuous mode allows point-by-point treatment from 0 to 13 mm deep, depending on the size of the needle, ideal for performing analgesic or anti-trauma treatments, among others. Once the injection mode is defined, the different attributes must be configured. The size of the needle. Select the size of the needle using the movement key, then press the validate key. Using the movement, then select the desired needle size, then confirm with the validation key. The injection depth. Select the injection depth using the displacement key, then press the validate key. Using the displacement key, then select the desired injection depth and confirm with the validation key. The injection depth can be defined according to the size of the needle setup. The size of the syringe. Select the syringe size using the displacement key, then select the desired syringe size, then confirm with the validation key. The variable of the continuous mode is the injection rate. Select the injection rate using the displacement key, then press the validate key. Using the movement key, then select the desired injection rate and confirm with the validation key. Injection rate may be 3 to 10 mm per minute or 0.4 to 1.2 mm per minute, depending on the size of the syringe chosen. In order to start the treatment, press the trigger button. Dose mode. There are 3 dose modes: microdose, standard dose, and megadose. The mod dose allows point-by-point treatment or papules from 0 to 13 mm deep, depending on the size of the needle. Once the injection mode is defined, you have to configure the different attributes. Needle size. Select the needle size using the movement key, then press the confirm key. Using the movement key, select then the size of the desired needle, then confirm with the validation key. The injection depth. Select the injection depth using the displacement key. Then press the validate key. Using the displacement key, then select the desired injection depth, then confirm with the validation key. The injection depth can be defined according to the size of the needle setup. The size of the syringe. Select the syringe size using the displacement key, then press the validate key. Using the movement key, then select the desired syringe size, then confirm with the validation key. The injection mode variable is the injection time. Select the injection time using the displacement key, then press the validated key. Using the displacement key, then select the desired injection time and confirm with the validation key. The injection time can be from 0 to 3 seconds. In order to start treatment, press the trigger button. Mesoperfusion mode. Mesoperfusion mode allows for slow, sequential mesotherapy treatments. Once the injection mode is defined, you must configure the variable. Because in mesoperfusion, neither the size of the needle nor the size of the syringe can be changed, the injection mode variable is therefore the injection time between 2 doses. To select the time between doses, using the displacement key, then press the validate key. Using the movement key, then select the time between 2 desired doses, then confirm with the validation key. The time between 2 doses can be 0 to 48 seconds. In order to start the treatment, press the trigger button. At the end of the treatment, in order to remove the syringe and needle still under pressure, execute the reverse function. Hold down the upper arrow key while pressing the trigger. Perform a thorough cleaning of your Pistor Eliance before and after each use. Before cleaning the device, make sure it is not connected to the mains. Clean the external part of the Pistor Eliance with a cotton pad or a compress to remove product residue. It is also possible to use wipes containing a sanitized product. Never clean the Pistor Eliance with water. It is recommended to leave the Pistor Eliance on the Pistor rest during the rest time. Important: the practitioner is solely responsible for medical acts and compliance with the strict rules of hygiene and sanitation relating to the prevention of conditions linked to the practice of treatments. Wearing gloves is imperative during treatment. Before any treatment, the practitioner will disinfect the skin of the area to be treated. Now, make sure to take note of these important messages. It is imperative to use syringes single-use, sterile single-use needles, and disposable skin stabilizer. It is important to use only the disposable skin stabilizer SMPPE of the MI Medical Innovation brand. The skin stabilizer is for single use only. Change each patient's sterile accessories to keep your device in good condition, satisfactory hygiene, and avoid any risk of microbiological contamination. Before each use, make sure to change the sterile and disposable for each patient and that the expiration dates are not exceeded. Also, check the integrity of the packaging.